updates right now. In fact, we'll share with you guys the headlines. You guys can guess the news updates after the Ganika Kira, which we play for you guys, Banjam. But right now, let me tell you, Faldrani, what do we have as headlines for today? Is it something positive, or is it like going to be talking about all the, what's happening around the Bay Area?
Well, it's pretty interesting, Altababa, when we're going to talk about the news headlines. But let's start with what's going on in the Bay Area. Bay Area wildfires fill the sky with smoke and have prompted a spare the air alert. We'll bring you more information about evacuation orders that are also getting into place in 5 counties across the Bay Area. I think San Mateo, Santa Cruz, all these places are right now being evacuated as well. And also a quick note from the regional centers are opening up for individuals with who are in care homes or with developmental disabilities. You can reach out to your regional centers for support and help if you are in any one of these areas which is affected by the wildfires. And if you've had to be evacuated, please reach out to the San Andreas Regional Center if you're in the catchment area here, or to your respective regional centers or the state council's office.
If you didn't know about the existence of regional center and you need some kind of support, please do contact us. We'll be happy to send you to the right places to go get information. They have 21 centers across California.
Yeah.
It's something very unique to California only. It's actually very helpful. We actually have had some people on air who actually talked about this as well. That is the state council who talked about all these things. But yes, watch out for that for sure. I'm sorry, what else do we have as headlines for us?
More than 10,000 PG&E customers are without power in San Jose, and in Livermore there are 4 days of blackouts.
Wow.
During during this major heat wave. But let's go on over and talk a little bit more about other news headlines. The U.S. postal chaos prompted Democrats to reassess the mail-in ballot plan. Trump campaign is suing New Jersey after the decision to mail ballots in the November election. Trump urges Goodyear tires to be boycotted. I mean, telling people to boycott Goodyear tires because there was a report that came out that the company banned political attire, like, Make America Great Again. You're not supposed to wear those kind of hats.
See, I told you, a supreme leader is going to be taking all those steps right now. Certainly, he'll have a law which says you will only have a haircut like his if you're over 70.
Oh, God.
Yeah, because you can't see his son-in-law can't have a haircut like him, right? Yeah. You know what happened in North Korea, right? North Korea, the leader actually had the ex-guy who's no more, right? Oh my God, the Kim Jong-un.
How do you know they've not come out and revealed that?
Yeah, everybody knows. It's a known fact. It's just that it doesn't make an impact on the world, so nobody cares about it. So.
Yeah, well, they don't want to reveal that he's dead.
Yeah, but anyway, the Supreme Leader, Trump, actually will soon have people banning hairstyles on.
I have a feeling they're freezing him cryogenically and they're waiting for something to come out where they can revive him.
Oh, really?
Yeah, that's what I have a feeling.
Do you know the fact about cryogenics?
Yeah.
Yes, there are people who are being frozen right now. There are many people, close to 200 people are frozen. Of it, 75% are Americans.
Wow.
Yes, but the point is, there is still no existent way of trying to bring them back, first of all.
Really?
Yeah.
That's what they're waiting for.
The brain freezes perfectly, I believe, but there's no technology to bring them back. The brain will not get active after they bring them back.
They can't microwave it.
I put them in the heat over here and they'll thaw out.
Yeah, exactly.
Yes.
Exactly.
My goodness. Okay, well, that was science fiction. But what other headlines do we have?
Okay, so the other headlines are that Democrats have officially nominated Joe Biden for president, vowing to end the Trump chaos. Apple has topped $2 trillion in market value. Johnson & Johnson has struck a $6.5 billion deal for autoimmune disease specialist Momenta. And in the latest updates on the Sushant Singh Rajput case, the CBI, of course, it came out yesterday that the CBI has been ordered to take over the case from Bihar or Mumbai police, but now they're saying that what was the reason for the Supreme Court to arrive at this decision is that the obstruction that was given to Bihar police team in Mumbai gave rise to the suspicion on a bona fide inquiry. So that's what the Supreme Court is saying, and now the CBI team has gone to Mumbai police for obtaining all the records. And the center has ordered an immediate withdrawal of 10,000 CAPF troops from Jammu and Kashmir. Why? What? We'll share that shortly.
That's up, Banjan. Of course, that was your headlines for today. And what we're going to do, Banjan, is quickly jump into a Gani Ka Keeda. And ये Gani Ka Keeda सुन के हम वापस आएंगे with more news for you guys, Banjan. This is a Gani Ka Keeda which I have for you from the movie, Jawani Janeman.
Correct. Yes.
And the song is, of course, Bandhu Tu Mera Mera.
यासिर देसाई की आवाज में
खुद गर्जियों से भरे आजा लम्हे चुरा ले सभी कल की करे हम क्यों फिक्र साथ लम्हे बिता ले अभी ना करे कोई वादा ना थोड़ा ना ही ज्यादा आना है तो आजा क्या है सोचता ओ बंधु तू मेरा मेरा है तुझसे दिल का वास्ता तेरे संग होने से I'm always happy, happy, happy ओ बंधु तू मेरा मेरा है तुझसे दिल का वास्ता तेरे संग होने से I'm always happy, happy, happy happy, happy happy, happy बाटे खुशी गम की डगर साथ रोए हंसे सपना सफर ओ बाटे खुशी गम की डगर साथ रोए हंसे सपना सफर बेढंगियां बदमाशियां साथ होने से लगती सही है मगर है उल्टे कारनामे अपने कई फसाने आ गाए मिलके गाने क्या है सोचता ओ बंधु तू मेरा मेरा है तुझसे दिल का वास्ता तेरे संग
वही बोलते थे आप लोगों को रोज हम ऑनर आते हैं आपके संग होने से भी फील हैप्पी 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 आई होप इट सेम वे फॉर यू गाइस बंजान लेकिन बात नहीं ये गाड़ी की फिर से बजेगा बिफोर वी गो फॉर श्योर लेकिन बंदूस आर स्टिल वेटिंग एज टू व्हाट टू डू एंड गेट इन्फॉर्मेशन अबाउट द न्यूज़ देंगे बट वन मोर न्यूज़ आई वांट टू गिव यू समथिंग वेरी इमीडिएट इज गोना हैपन दिस इवनिंग 5:30 को हाँ 5 बजे पैम शो होता है लेकिन 5:30 को इज गोना बी अ वंडरफुल वेबिनार आई नो वी आर ट्राइंग टू टेयर यू अवे फ्रॉम आवर शो एंड एवरीथिंग बट स्टिल द पॉइंट इज it's a very informative webinar. You can be part of it. Get to know information. It's actually organized by New York Life. You must have remember one of our bandhus who's come on air, Jack. Their office has organized this webinar. We'll post the link for you guys on our Facebook page for sure.
Radio Hotties पे ना?
Yeah, Radio Hotties पे डालने वाले हैं उसको. The flyer is going to be posted there for you guys to go check it out for sure. So make sure you attend it. And it's I think it's going to be a quick information as to how you can actually utilize the insurance part of it for making sure that you actually can
well, it's basically about how your taxes can affect your investments
Correct.
in the future
Yeah,
and how you can diversify your tax portfolio, especially important in this economy. I know that the stock market is doing well right now, but then there's also a lot of us who lost a lot of value in our portfolio.
That's one thing. It's stock market doing well, but again, some unforeseen things are coming up, right?
Yeah.
So that's why you got to make sure you're insured well for all those things. So
Exactly.
understanding how this particular model works, where you can convert your wealth to income, definitely make sure you attend the webinar. We'll actually post the link for you guys on the Facebook page, facebook.com/Radio Day Hotties. But right now, quick look at what's the news. A little bit of news in DJ, and then if you can catch up in DJ, the other news items on our news blog, mediamahima.com. So, Vadani, we stopped at some point. You want to continue the news details for us?
Absolutely. The Bay Area Air Quality Management Management District has issued a spare the air alert today, Banajan, because of smoke from the wildfires throughout the region that is creating unhealthy air pollution. Burning wood, manufactured fire logs, or other solid fuel is banned both indoors and outdoors on days when the alerts are in effect, according to the Air District. We can find out more about the spare the air alert, which is in effect, by texting this START to 81757 or for registering your email at sparetheair.org. It's important to do that. They're also recommending that stay inside as much as possible today, with windows and doors closed until smoke levels subside. It is really bad, Gunajan. All of us are smelling it.
What's the number dial for updates?
81757 for the spare the air updates, and you got to text START.
Wonderful.
Okay.
Yeah.
In terms of evacuation orders, Pandajan, roughly 20 separate fires are burning in 5 counties, including 3 in the Bay Area, and they've consumed at least 85,000 acres, according to CAL FIRE. The collection of blazes is about only 5% contained at this particular point in time. So the fires making up the SCU Lightning Complex are located in Santa Clara, Alameda County, Contra Costa County, San Joaquin, and Stanislaus counties. CAL FIRE has said no structures have been destroyed or damaged, but about 1,400 are threatened by flames, CAL FIRE is saying. So firefighters are facing very steep and rugged terrain, high heat and low relative humidity. So evacuations have been ordered in in Alameda County, Frank Rains Park to Mines Road, Del Puerto Canyon Road, 1 mile to Mines Road, Alameda County near the Welch Creek Road, Contra Costa County, also Marsh Creek Road from Round Valley to Morgan Territory, Santa Clara County, north of Highway 130 to Santa Clara County line, west of San Antonio Valley Road, west of Mines Road to Santa Clara County line, east of Three Springs Road and Mount Hampton Road, and south of Santa Clara County line. The evacuation warnings are in place for the following areas. Even in the city of Fremont, Mill Creek Road has been placed under evacuation orders, and there's Ed Levin County, east of Ed Levin County Park, right here in Milpitas, Panajan, Felter Road, Sierra Road, Toyon Avenue, and Mount Hamilton Road to Three Springs Road is under evacuation orders, and south of Santa Clara County line and west of the fire perimeter. So you can actually get this detail. We will post this link on mediamahima.com, Panajan. We will share this on our website, and you can actually go look it up as well. About 10,000 customers are without power in San Jose. The outage was reported around 7:30 p.m. and PG&E said that there is no estimated time of restoration. This comes after the California Independent System Operator cancelled rotating power outages, and about 10,385 customers are without power. And here is what we would say, Banajan. There's a whole bunch of other news items that we will be sharing on our website, mediamahima.com. Right now, it's time for us to be saying, have yourselves a safe, wonderful, and please spend time indoors today, Wednesday. And we will be back tonight live at 5 with the Pam Pam Show with the beautiful evening drive, Pam Pam. Have yourselves a wonderful Wednesday.